Okay, today we're going to find the slope of a line. The easiest way to remember how to find the slope, it's the rise over the run, or the change in y over the change in x. Okay, here's the line, and here are 2 points that are on the line. So if we were off the graph looking for the rise over run, we want to look at how much it went up and how much it went over. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up and 3 over. So the slope, so it went up 5 slope from the first point to the second point. From the first point to the second point, it went up 5 and to the right 3. So the slope is 5/3. Okay, here's the same graph as the previous slide, except that this time I put the coordinates of the second point and the first point. So this is the second point, and this one's the first point. 6, 7 is the second point, 3, 2 is the first point. So there is a formula that you learned for slope. It's m equals y2 minus y1. That's the second point's y minus the first point's y, over x2 minus x1. As we said, this is the second point, so x2, y2. This one's the first point, x1, y1. So the line moved from point 1 to point 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract. So y2 is 7 minus y1 is 2. x2 is 6 minus x1, which is 3. So the slope is 5/2. Oh, 5/3. Okay, so here's another example with just the points without graphing. This is the first point, this is this y of the first point, this is x of the second point, y of the second point. We're going to use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 is negative 5 minus y1, which is 2. x2 is negative 3 minus x1, which is negative 1. So the slope for this line is negative 7 over negative 2. That's because negative becomes positive. And whenever you have a negative divided by a negative, like in negative 7 over negative 2, the negatives become positive because negative divided by negative is positive. So the slope is 7/2. So the slope between these 2 points is 7/2. So it went up 7 and to the right 2.